Another reason we join groups is to avoid exclusion and the social pain that goes along with it. Individuals are sometimes ostracized from one of their groups. The other members deliberately exclude them by explicitly rejecting, avoiding, or ignoring them. It can happen in face-to-face interactions, as well as online. The reasons for it vary, and it can happen without warning or without just cause. As social creatures, most of us do not react well to ostracism. Scholars who study these reactions often use ball-tossing activities, in which participants are excluded from tossing the ball in a group setting. Those who are excluded feel what's called social pain. They talk about being surprised or shocked, feeling betrayed or frustrated, or experiencing anxiety or depression. Other researchers study ostracism in virtual groups. Excluded participants reported lower self-esteem, lower sense of belonging, and perceptions of a less meaningful existence. Ostracism also has a biological component. The evidence suggests that social pain correlates with increased heart rate, blood pressure, and oxytocin levels. It can also activate the same parts of our brain that are activated when we experience physical pain. What's more interesting is we experience it even when we don't like the group. Furthermore, the perception of or threat of ostracism is enough to elicit these negative reactions. To cope with these effects, we respond in several different ways. We might fight back, withdraw from the situation altogether, or work harder to be a part of the group and avoid exclusion. This last option supports the idiom, if you can't beat them, join them. Some people, however, particularly those who have a history of psychological problems and negative peer interactions, respond in more severe ways by becoming angry, aggressive, or even violent.